29th of March 2008, and it's very exciting this morning because, just wait Danny, because our big tree, which has been a monstrosity and a bane to us for years, is coming down. So they're just having a look at how to do it. And there's the man there, Richard. So we're going to see how the tree comes down. So now he's tying the chainsaw onto a rope there. Quite sure how this works. There's a loop or something there. I can hear him up there, but I've no idea where he is. And then up goes the chainsaw. Up into the tree. And that's it. I have no idea where he is. There's a big bit going there. Gosh.
It really will move up there, you know.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, it really moves. It gets the full benefit up there. It gets a bit worse, doesn't it? He's mad, isn't he?
Is he tied on or something? Must be tied on for safety.
There's a loop. There's like a strap on there. And it's looped round the tree.
Alright.
Oh no, no!
So that is tying all the way up to there. Let's see what's coming up near.
There's only more underneath these wires, aren't there? Yeah. Can't do it then. I'll leave pressure on for a start. Right, okay, okay. Don't pull your cup down, keep pressure on. Nice and easy. We have to be deep.
Danny, you watch this, it's going to come down now, watch.
Hold on a minute, well, once the pressure's off, is that okay? Not really. Right, hold on. Yeah, I am doing. That's tremendous. Ah! Hold on a minute. Hold on. Hold on a minute, I've got some pressure on, alright, hold on. No, don't worry. Don't worry, I'm going to get on it in a minute. Got it, don't worry mate. That's all. Right.
Here it comes. Good gracious.
Good God, that was a biggie. Oh, that was terrible for you, mate. Now I've got maximum. I've cut shit out of it. I'm sorry. Cut my hand a little bit.